Welcome to the first annual Lakewood High School Master Chef competition. We have two all-star competitors facing off today. Each contestant will make one dish to be judged by our two celebrity judges, Kevin and Kyle. I'm your host, Connor, and this is Master Chef.
Hi, I'm Raymond, and today we're going to be making instant lunch ramen. It's actually pretty simple to make. First, you gotta cut out the package. I've been cooking for 11 years in Hong Kong, and I've been cooking for my people. And my three specialty dishes are cereal, noodles, and toaster strudels. Let's unwrap this cup. All right. Look at all these juicy flavors in here. Okay, so first we're gonna dump it on our cutting board. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the sides off and pop this thing open. All right. This is a 1 serving size, by the way, and we're gonna dump this into our pot of hot water. Get all these juicy vegetables in here. Now we wait for 3 minutes.
First meal I'll be preparing today is some cinnamon waffles. My name is Sunny. I've been cooking for the past 25 years. I have 3 children. I like cooking waffles. I like making bowls of cereal, and Magic 8 Ball, am I gonna win this competition? Don't count on it. Oh man, it's getting hot in here. I'm sweating. Yikes. So we're just gonna let the waffle just sit in the pan for a little bit on the butter and wait till it gets golden brown, okay? Cool.
I'm also a retired graphic designer, and I'm also a ping pong trainer, and I've been doing that for 25 years. All right, now you're gonna start breaking your ramen apart. When you start to see the color change to gold, that's when you know it's perfect. I think I'm gonna do pretty well. I don't think Sunny's gonna make it that far in the competition because his skills are pretty limited, and you can tell that he's not gonna make any delicious or colorful food.
I'm a former NBA player. I retired from the league in 2007, and I like playing basketball with my kids. Gotta make it nice and sweet. Looks like we're done now. Nice and dark brown, just like me. Sick.
Now that both dishes are complete, let's hand it over to the judges table.
So here's my dish. It's a chicken flavored ramen. It has beautiful textured ramen, and it has over 40 different flavors of Japan. And as you can see, there's a lot of texture and color to it. It's not just plain like Sunny's. And that is my dish. Thank you.
Kyle, this is my cinnamon sugar waffle dish with strawberries on the top. It's very sweet, it's very colorful, and it's raw. And you should eat it, and it's really good. It's definitely better than Raymond's, because Raymond's trash. All right. you okay? First thoughts, both pretty bad. I don't know. Have either of you guys cooked before? What else can I say, really? But I've gotta hand it to Raymond. He was able to include a lot of ethnic flavors into his ramen, which is very nice.
I think both were very good. Raymond's was it was very handsome, and I think that Raymond's had better food, so Raymond did the better ramen.
Congratulate Raymond on winning this year's competition. Join us again next season to see if Raymond will defend his title.